and welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, please hit the thumbs up button, and while you're at it, why not subscribe and join the family? So yesterday I put a poll on my Instagram on what hair tutorial you want for today's video, and by popular demand, we will be doing a French braid. What items does one need to create this hairdo? Easy, just a hairbrush and a hair tie. With my handy hairbrush, let's get this hair into a French braid. So, step 1, we brush through the hair, getting rid of knots and tangles. Always brush from the ends of your hair and then move up, and make sure that your hair doesn't get damaged and fall off. Once step 1 is done, we grab a small portion of hair from the top, kind of like a really small half updo look. So you take the portion you have and you split it into 3 parts. Then we do 1 round of a normal 3-strand braid. Once you finish that round, we start adding on portions from the side. Take a bit from the right of your head and make sure you grab as close to the scalp as possible, and then you add it to the right side of the braid. Now you take that strand and fold it over to the middle, and you do the same with the left side. Keep folding until there is very little hair left dangling from the scalp. That lock in as well, and continue braiding down with the 3 strands. Lastly, tie it up with a hair tie and you're done. You can go one extra step and tug at the braids to make it look thicker, but if you rather not, that's fine as well. And there we have it. This is such an amazing look. It can be used for both casual and fancy gatherings, and it can be hard to do in the first few tries, but when you get the results, they're so worth it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and post your French braids on Instagram and tag me. I love seeing you guys try out my tutorials. Also, comment down if you want a character-based hairstyle or another classy look like a French braid.